Hello and welcome back to Cletha Versal channel. I am your host Cletha Laurencio, and today we'll dive into an essential cornerstone of democratic governance, the rule of law. The rule of law is fundamental for any democracy as it ensures that everyone from ordinary citizen to state official is accountable under the law. So let's explore what it means, why it's crucial, and how it functions to protect us all. At its core, the rule of law requires an independent and impartial judiciary that ensures that every citizen receives equal protection and is safeguarded from arbitrary use of power by state. The judiciary independence is crucial because it acts as a check on the government action, making sure laws are fair and justice is accessible. So how do different countries ensure maintenance of rule of law? It all begins with constitution. In democracy country, constitution set up judicial system meant to operate without fear or favor. For instance, India constitution enshrines the rule of law as a basic feature that can't be altered even though amendments. This means that no part of the government can infringe on citizen rights without facing accountability. One key principle that supports rule of law is reasonableness. The concept ensures that government actions, whether by legislature or executive, are fair, rational, and non-arbitrary. A classic example of this principle in action is landmark case of Mittu vs. State of Punjab. In this case, the Supreme Court of India invalidated Section 303 of the Penal Code due to unreasonable nature, which automatically imposed the death penalty for certain offences. By striking down such laws, the court reinforces that all action must be grounded in reasonableness, upholding fundamental rights or to equality. Now, how does Constitution ensure the impartiality? It establishes several independent bodies like Comptroller and Auditor General, the Election Commissions and the Public Service Commission. These entities oversee crucial aspects of governance, financial audits, fair elections, and civil service appointments, all free from executive interference. For instance, the Chief Election Commission has secured a tenure similar to a Supreme Court judge, which helps them to perform their duties without fear or reprisal. However, one of the growing threat to the rule of law is delay in judicial proceedings. When justice is delayed, people can lose faith in the system. It's vital that courts act expeditiously so that laws retain their effectiveness and respect. Otherwise, we risk a system where both officials and citizens ignore the rule of law, weakening its impact. So, the rule of law goes beyond simply having laws in place. It's about ensuring those laws are fair, that justice is accessible, and the state operates transparently and accountably. It's about maintaining a balance where no one, whether an ordinary citizen or a government official, is above the law. That wraps up today's episode. Remember, the rule of law isn't a concept of court and lawyers. It is a foundation that protects our right and freedom. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others who might find this topic interesting. And don't forget to tune in next time for another deep dive into the legal world on Cletha Versal. Thank you for listening.